it cooks. Damns it up. Don't hide it. Pull out that food processor. Combine the flour, sugar and salt. Add the oil and butter and pulse to crumb size. Time to go in circles. Add vinegar. Take the flour and dust your board. Press the dough until you make a disc. Split that to half. Cling wrap and put in the fridge for up to 1 hour. Time for the filling. Combine all sugars, cinnamon, nutmeg and allspice. Put the sliced apples in a large bowl. Squeeze in lemon juice. Mix the sugar mix evenly and toss it in. Mix it with the beat. Toss the apples on heat. Mix it and let it get soft. When it's soft, time to take it out. Add the cornflour to the remaining juice and mix it. Take it out and pour it on the apples. Time for the pastry. Prepare a pan and a table. Take the rested dough and roll it. Lay it on the tray like you mean it. Fit it in nicely and cut off the excess. Touch a bit. Let one throw. Like to spoon? Let's do it. Now we cover it, pinch the sides and make fluted edges. Brush it nicely with the egg wash. Snip to make holes for steam. Bake and serve. Enjoy.